No, I want to see this thing's in here. Come on.
Huh?
You hate this bitch. Attack her.
No.
Attack her for YouTube. Claw her head.
Fuck that video camera.
Yeah, right. If I was
Get back up in that tree and do your job.
No, yeah. You post up there, and you attack the next person that comes. That's an order. Do his little thing.
Wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears, oh my ride. We fierce and fast, supersonic like JJ Fat, and we ride till the wheels are flat. Can't beat that with a baseball bat.
The bird attacked you. The bird.
It attacks everybody that walks by. You see it up there? That evil.
That's so funny. Awesome. Yeah. Dang it, motherfuckers. Natalie, come here. Come here, Natalie. Come here. YouTube wants to see this. Come here, I'll protect you. This fucking bird.
You just hit that bitch in the head. Oh my god. It's
Fuck.
turn it.
We gotta walk away like we're not paying attention.
Let's walk back again.
Oh my god, I got it!
It's gotta be the shoes, gotta be the furs. That's why ladies choose me. All up in the news, cause we so cute. That's why we so huge. Allergical girls know how I feel. Daily spec, I keep it real. Not a China man, cause I ain't from China, man.
Oh my god, that was epic! Dude, the fucking bird is attacking everyone.
Don't worry about
That's fucking so funny.
Do your job. Go attack, attack, attack!
You have to go.